In this video, we are going to teach you how to replace the end trimming motor of your CBC.T. Make sure to unplug your machine before starting this procedure. Begin by removing the motor's electrical cover. Next, remove the Wago clips and the electrical coupling. Remove the grounding wire. Then, remove the belt cover by unscrewing the two 4mm Allen bolts. Now, take off the bearing bracket and spacer by removing the two 5mm bolts. Remove the belt and the gear. Next, detach the 4 motor bolts. Swap out the motor with the new one. Install the 4 motor bolts, but do not tighten them completely yet. Lubricate the motor shaft to ensure the gear slides on smoothly. Then, attach the motor gear. Install the gear support bracket and spacer, but again, do not tighten them fully, as you will need to adjust the belt tension. Install the belt and use a pry bar to tension it. Check the belt deflection. If it's too tight, the motor will bind. Ensure the motor can spin freely and that the belt and gear have the right tension. Now tighten the motor bolts by lining up the gear hole with each bolt. Reattach the belt cover. Finally, reconnect the wires to the motor. Turn on the power and check the motor rotation. If the rotation needs to be reversed, simply swap the white and black wires. Once everything is functioning correctly, close the cover. If you have any questions, contact us at tech@maxawo.com.